So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, recently there is a video which has gone viral and that supposedly says that this is the upcoming iPhone from Apple. So many people thought that this is the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 and many people think that this is the iPhone 12 Pro. First of all, let me tell you that this is not at all a genuine iPhone and this is a fake news. I'm going to be discussing about this in later part of today's video, and I'm also going to be discussing regarding the camera in the iPhone 9. Okay, in the upcoming iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9, I'm going to be discussing that which megapixel count is going to be there and what is the type of camera Apple is opting for. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me discuss regarding this controversial video because recently it has first gone viral on Instagram and later it is now viral on YouTube. So in this video you can just see a person holding an iPhone from Apple, which is nothing like we are seeing it. Okay, this is having the flat sides and that's the only reason, and I will tell you, like on AliExpress or other websites, you will find like this chassis which fits your existing iPhone but has a different design. So it is not at all a reliable or a legit design. So this is again a fake design, so don't get it seriously. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the camera portion of this smartphone. So as I have discussed in my earlier videos that the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2 is going to be getting only single camera at the back, and this camera is going to be of 12 megapixels and this is going to be a 3D sensing camera. Okay, this is not going to be any like a standard camera. This is going to be having a special ability and that is of 3D sensing camera. So there were many people who said that this iPhone will feature a TOF camera. TOF stands for time of flight sensor, but this is not the case. This smartphone is only going to be featuring a single camera and that is of 3D sensing camera. So what exactly is 3D sensing? Well guys, due to the optimization with the iOS 13 update, Apple will introduce a new feature with the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 that will measure a lot more depth in your photos. Okay, the singular camera will capture a lot more depth by the medium of 3 dimensions, and basically at the end you're going to be getting lots of details in your photograph, lot more sharpness, and just basically you will get a better camera result. Okay, there were many people who said that the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2 will get the camera from the iPhone XR, but that is not the case. Apple is indeed working behind this camera and this is not going to be a standard primary camera. This is going to be a 3D sensing camera. So let's see what Apple has in store for us. And so guys, now let me come to the final question, and that is the pricing. And the pricing of this iPhone is expected to be $399, and I've already covered in my last video that is this a value for the money iPhone. So if you want, you can check that video out. And overall I would say, like, many people will be confused, like, should we buy the iPhone XR in March of 2020 or should we opt for the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9? So my obvious answer will be, like, it's very genuine answer and it's my personal opinion, and that is, what is the most thing that you use every day in your smartphone? Okay, that has to be the display. Okay, you every time view your display, and I think the iPhone XR is way more better deal in this factor. Okay, with the iPhone XR you're getting a much more bigger display, and I think that is the main important factor. Okay, you might get the notch in between or just obstructing you from the full display usage, but I would say it's better to have the older iPhone design. Okay, with the iPhone SE2 you're going to be getting the home button. If you like to have an iPhone with home button, you can definitely opt for the iPhone SE2, but I would say, like, from the true value for the money category, I think iPhone XR kind of justifies it pretty well. And I think just basically you only see, like, you're getting a much bigger battery life, you're going to be getting much bigger display, and just you have to add a little more money. Okay, according to the recent reports, the iPhone XR, the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2 will start at the pricing of 36 or 39,000 Indian rupees, which is too much. So it only makes a lot of sense that you would add a couple of thousand rupees and opt for the iPhone XR. But again, that is your personal preference, and let me tell you, iPhone 9 is not at all bad. You're going to be getting it for a great pricing, but if Apple will introduce it for less than 30,000 Indian rupees, then that will make lot of sense. So obviously I've liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.